Coming in, Advocate Singhvi has said that no order was pronounced with bail was heard on merits after a month. Judge says, I decide not to decide bail. There are 13 judgments by Supreme Court that deprecates delay in bails sending you back. These are, of course, the details that are coming in at this point of time. Simran is back with us on the broadcast. Simran, give our viewers the details that are coming in. What is it that has been spoken about in the court? I think we've lost Simran over there, but these are, of course, the latest developments that are coming in at this point of time. Mr. Singhvi has, of course, made statements in the Supreme Court. He said that there is no new evidence that has surfaced, barring a statement that was made back in January. So these are, of course, latest developments coming in. He's also said that on 26th June, he is produced before vacation judge. CBI, without applying with 41A, moved application seeking custody. Only ground in arrest memo is Kejriwal is non-cooperative and evasive in replies. These are, of course, the developments that are coming in. He's also stated that on 1st July onwards, of course, there were no two petitions, one against arrest, another for bail. On 17th July, judgment is reserved on arrest, but bail is re-notified later. These are, of course, the developments that are coming in at this point of time from the Supreme Court. Remember, viewers, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been in the jail. And in fact, to give us more on this, my colleague Simran is back with us on the broadcast. Simran, give our viewers an understanding on the developments that are coming in from the Supreme Court.
Asabri, yes, it is very important to underscore the fact that right now Abhishek Manu Singhvi, while making his arguments, has been pressing upon that earlier when he was produced before the vacation judge upon the production warrants, they arrest him, but then that too without complying under the sections of the section 41 and 41A of the CRPC. Well, these are the very concrete arguments that are in fact being made by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, being the counsellor of Arvind Kejriwal before the bench of the Supreme Court, while another S.V. Raju is representing the CBI in this matter. But the bench of the Supreme Court, where Suryakant and Ujjwal has been now listening to the arguments in the hearing, it is important to note that Abhishek Manu Singhvi has also said that no order was pronounced but bail was heard on the merits. After a month, the judge says that I decide not to decide the bail. And earlier, when he was given the bail on June 2nd for campaigning for the Lok Sabha Assembly elections, he then had went back to the jail as per the Supreme Court orders. But it remains to be a very crucial day for the Aam Aadmi Party, as if the Supreme Court decides to grant Arvind Kejriwal the bail, it is going to be very significant given the elections in the Haryana Assembly state and also the further elections for other states in the assembly elections. But for the Aam Aadmi Party, it's going to be a double win, because just shortly while back, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and Aam Aadmi Party senior leader Manish Sisodia has also been granted bail, interim bail in fact. And now there is going to be a strengthening of the party if Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal in fact comes out of the bail after the bench of Suryakant and Ujjwal actually listen to all these arguments pertaining to the fact of the matter and benefiting for the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, where also it is important to note that the arguments that are continuously being made by the counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi pertain to the fact that he has been made a scapegoat under the PMLA, and he, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal here in this matter was not arrested, but the bail was released, the order of the release was done by the ED after the arrest. While the CBI has said that the High Court has examined the question of the current concurrent jurisdiction, the counsel for Arvind Kejriwal, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, has said that his submissions is in the jurisdiction of triple test, no special bar or provision. So these are importantly in fact, the breaking developments that are taking place at this point of time. And I'm coming to you live from the Supreme Court where the hearing is underway, and it remains to be seen, in fact, whether it's going to be a golden day for the Aam Aadmi Party or not, or this is the matter which is currently going to be a long pending trial for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the now scrapped excise policy.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.